Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going for a hike to Sezibwa. I woke up one morning and decided to go for a 32-kilometer trek to Sezibwa Falls. Was I well prepared for this? No. Had I trained for this? No. All I knew is that I wanted to see Sezibwa Falls, and like we normally do here, we do adventure. But at what cost? Yeah, so I thought, what better way to do it than take this 32 ultimate epic trail to the falls. So here we go. It's not big, but sometimes but that's 4%. Let me shock you. I am old.
0.
Yeah, I'm okay.
So we don't have the capacity.
Hey, there's also one in Burger, like the other side. Come go. Yeah. Just wait. From the back.
No.
Time for what? Lunch. Time for lunch. Time for lunch. Guess we didn't make it to the end of the hike. But we are about to reach the falls. I did like 17 kilometers. Yeah, the other 17. They're driving. So us guys. What's a trip without chicken? Sleepovers and all these things too. We made it to Sezibwa.
Oh, Uganda, may God uphold. We are.
What?
What? I stopped you.
No. We made it to Sezibwa, and it is really beautiful. You can tell a lot from my background. As you can see, I'm dirty. It's a long trail, but we made it anyway. So, this hike was actually very Am I drinking? Be bold. Be strong. Be bold. Be strong. Be bold. Be strong. Be bold. Be strong. Finally.
Oh my God!